when there is a change in atomic structure, chemical composition, and molecular movement, molecular movement or motion, then system will possess system will possess system will possess internal energy, internal energy, internal energy. There are various types of internal energy. There are various types of internal energy. A, chemical energy, chemical energy dash dash due to change in chemical composition, due to change in chemical composition. B, atomic energy, B, atomic energy due to change in atomic structure, change in atomic structure. C, molecular internal energy, molecular internal energy dash due to molecular motion, due to molecular motion, due to molecular motion in the system, in the system, in the system. Next line, star, you will have to make star and write internal energy, internal energy is combination of chemical atomic and molecular internal energy, and molecular internal energy, and molecular internal energy. Number 2, external energy, external energy, external energy it is possessed, it is possessed by the system, it is possessed by the system it is possessed by the system due to mass due to mass change in velocity, change in velocity, change in velocity, comma, height from the earth surface, height from the earth surface, and acceleration due to the gravity, and acceleration due to the gravity. A kinetic energy, a kinetic energy, a kinetic energy. In next line, write down Ke is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. Ke is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. M mass in kg, m mass in kg, v dash velocity in meter per second. Next, B potential energy, B potential energy, which is equal to mgh, mgh, mgh. M is mass in kg, G acceleration due to gravity, acceleration due to gravity, in meter per second square, meter per second square, and h is the height, h is the height in meter, in meter. In meter. Okay. Now we will concentrate on similarities and differences between work and heat. First of all, let us concentrate on similarities. First one is work and heat both are possessing boundary phenomena. Boundary phenomena means work and heat always a part of your system, and this system is separated from the surrounding with the help of boundary. यानी कि आपका वर्क या आपका हीट ट्रांसफर जो है वो बाउंड्री के अंदर होता है. And what do you mean by boundary? Boundary is the line which separates system from the surrounding, and system is nothing but the region of matter under thermodynamical study. यानी कि जो कुछ रीजन बाउंड्री ने निर्धारित किया है उसमें ही आपका वर्क और एनर्जी ट्रांसफर होता है। सेकंड वन, बोथ आर पाथ फंक्शंस। ओके, मीन्स इट्स इनिशियल and final points are not important. How that is reaching to the initial and final point, it is important. And that's why both are path functions. Always keep in mind, many times that question is asked कि work or heat is point function, path function, or none above that, etc., etc. So in that position, you should be in a position to tell that work and heat are path functions. These are not point functions. Okay. Third one is both are interchangeable. Means work can be transferred into your heat and heat can be transferred into the work. Okay. Both are inexact differentials and hence these are not thermodynamical property. So we cannot exactly differentiate the heat and work in a certain limit, and that's why these two things are not considered as a thermodynamical property. These four are the similarities. And what do you means? What are the differences in work and heat? Number one, there cannot be a reversible work transfer, but in heat that can be happen. Means वर्क में एक बार आपने वर्क परफॉर्म कर दिया तो कर दिया, उसे फिर से आप रिवर्स बैक नहीं कर सकते हैं। यानी कि अगर आपने पेट्रोल गाड़ी में यूज करके गाड़ी ऑन कर दी और गाड़ी आगे चलाई 100 मीटर तक, तो आपका जो कुछ हीट है वो यूटिलाइज हो जाएगा, आपका जो फ्यूल है वो यूटिलाइज हो जाएगा। फिर से ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है कि गाड़ी फिर से आप वापस लेके आ जाए तो आपका जो कुछ फ्यूल है वो फिर से दोबारा जनरेट हो या हीट जो है वो फिर से दोबारा जनरेट हो। वर्क में ऐसा नहीं होता है, एक बार कर दिया तो एक बार हो गया। सो द वर्क इज नॉट रिवर्सिबल बट द हीट इज अ रिवर्सिबल। हीट आप प्रोड्यूस भी कर सकते हो और कुछ वर्क आप उस पे करके फिर से दोबारा हीट जो है वो एक्सट्रैक्ट भी कर सकते हो। दोनों चीजें आप यहां कर सकते हो हीट के साथ, बट वर्क के साथ ऐसा नहीं कर सकते। सेकंड थिंग, फॉर ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस इज रिक्वायर्ड, but in a work transfer such any difference is not at all required. Okay. Third one, there is a difference in a sign convention. Okay. जब हीट दी जाती है, प्रोड्यूस की जाती है, तो हम उसे पॉजिटिव कहते हैं। हीट जब एक्सट्रैक्ट की जाती है, निकाल दी जाती है या रिजेक्ट की जाती है, तब हम उसे निगेटिव कहते हैं। लेकिन जब वर्क होता है किस चीज पे तो हम उसे पॉजिटिव कहते हैं, और वर्क अगर किसी ने कर दिया तो हम उसे निगेटिव कहते हैं। सो दिस स्लाइड इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट। आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच ऑफ टाइम, प्लीज write this particular slide and draw this diagram. Okay. Total energy is the algebraic sum of internal energy and external energy. So next line, write down total energy is equal to U plus KE plus PE. U plus KE plus PE. U plus KE plus PE. You next heading, types of work. Types of work. Types of work. There are different types of work. There are different types of work. One, displacement work. Displacement work. Displacement work. Number two, electric work. Electric work. Number three, paddle wheel work. Paddle wheel work. Number four, flow work. Flow work. Flow work. And number five, shaft work. Shaft work. Shaft work. Now we are going to